unbox my MySmile package with me. So MySmile sent me this in the mail, and it's their Teeth Whitening Kit Deluxe at-home whitening system. Results in 10 minutes, whitens up to 10 shades. So let's open it. So you open it up, and it's got the syringes in here, a little packet, and then the bracket and the LED light. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so here's the packet and here's what's in it. So they have a Q&A in here, and then like a before and after diagram for you. So I'm also gonna go over how to put this together. So you take the whitening piece right here and the little silicone piece, and you basically just fit it in here. It's pretty easy to get in there. Okay, there you go. And then you just take the syringe, and it says use half, so like one of these little knocks right here, and you just dispense it into the tray, and then I always kind of even it out after I get it in there, and then you just put it in your mouth and click the little button, leave it in there for 10 minutes. It has been 7 days since I started using this, 10 minutes every day, and I am so thrilled with the results. So I started about a 5 or a 6, and now I'm a 2 to a 3, which is such amazing results. Like this kit is so easy to use, so affordable. Right now on the website they're $33, which is an insane price, and I'm still not done with the syringes in here. And I am so excited to finish off these syringes and purchase more in the future.